NCMS students, this is Miss Pugs. I just wanted to go over, the sign-in process and how to access your assigned work in code.org. So this is code.org, very easy website to remember. I'd bookmark it right away if I were you. If you needed to search for it, like you couldn't remember the name of it, if you just type code into a Google search, it will be the top result. So first thing you want to do when you get to code.org is to sign in. And so you're going to click that sign in button, and you always, always, always want to click continue with Google because that's how your accounts have been set up. I'm going to sign in with a student account real quick. So you put in your username at wssd.bz and your password, and it will get you signed in, and it will get you right to your dashboard is the best way to think of this. So if we look up here, the code button just takes us back to the main page. You've got your dashboard, which is where we are. You can always get back to here. There is a course catalog and there's projects. Over here, you can create just using some of the different projects that they have. Over here, you could see your projects and any account settings you need to fix. And this is just the extra little menu section, which you don't really need to worry about. So under dashboard, you can see what you have been assigned, what you are working on, and your most recent assignments are going to appear at the top. So I'm going to just make sure that stays the same here. And the next thing I want to show you guys is down here at the bottom of the code.org page, there is an English button. If you speak primarily another language, you can change into that language. They have 45 different languages that code.org has been fully translated into. So what we're going to do is we are going to click Continue Lesson. And that's going to bring us into the code.org activities. And you'll see which ones you have to work on. You'll get to see an overview. You'll get to see what the project is. And then there are a lot more lessons in this. And then you have an HTML one. So I'm actually going to take it to the web lab so you can see what this looks like once you're in. And again, you can change the language at any time. That is available for this once you're changed here. And if you have troubles reading the page, you can have it read out loud.
WebLab. The platform you are in is called WebLab. There are 3 main parts of the screen in Web.
So that helps. You've got your add HTML, add CSS, add image. Then you've got your work area right here. And then this is your preview section. So this is where any files are going to be. This is your work section, and then that's your preview section. If you're ever having troubles with anything here, you can click on documentation, and it takes you to some of the additional information for that. So that's just how I wanted to show you where this is. So again, you've got up here, it will take you to all the different sections of this unit. And this week you're working on exploring web pages and intro to HTML. So some very cool stuff in here. HTML is the language of websites. It's what all websites are written in. And it's just very, very cool, a nice space to work with. And by the time we're done, you're going to create your own custom web page. So a lot of cool stuff here. I'm going to go back to the code.org button just so you can see again where we are. I'm going to sign out and show you the sign in one more time. So when you're in code.org, you click sign in. And the big thing to remember is that you always continue with Google. Always, always, always. I'll go ahead and get signed back in here. And this is what you're working on. So lesson 1 and lesson 2 and all these sections. And it seems like a lot, but it's really not. There's some different videos in here. The sample web pages has a Google Doc that goes along with it that is in Schoology. So let me know if you need any help, if you have any problems or any concerns, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks. Have a great day.